Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing the Driftomaniacs Week 9 Bowling Challenge. As you can see, I've got my bowling pins here, cans, and if you can tell by the looks of it in the thumbnail, they take an absolute beating, to say the least. So let's get straight into setting it up, and then we can have some fun. Okay guys, with the pins, which I'm using cans for, I've weighed it down with sand, so you can see that fairly well. They've all got a similar amount of sand, roughly. I can't do too exact, but I've got exact as possible, and this one's got some sandy stones in it. Yeah, they all should be roughly the same weight. And yeah, I'll just tape up the tops and then we can get going. Okay guys, what I'm doing, I'm putting 2 pieces of tape over the top of the can all the way around, so that should hold it in, hopefully. So now I'll do this to the rest, and we can get started. Well, this isn't going to work, is it now? Hey, this isn't going to work. Oh, you only get one. Okay, we've got 5 there. These cans are definitely feeling it. Okay, straighten that up a bit. Woohoo, that's 7. That's like the 3rd time I've got 7. That's 6. This one's probably a bit better down, so is this one. That one at the back. I think that's 7, but I've been absolutely destroyed at this point. This isn't going to work, you know, Lottie. You're probably still going to get hit some way or another, and you're very much in the way.